Hello everyone, today I bring you the latest Makita battery test. I believe you will like it very much. Who would not like good things? So share with you. This is Makita XPH07 drill. This is Makita 1850B. This is BL2010B. It is 10.0 Ah battery. This is the protagonist. Now we test the no-load speed of the battery when fully charged. Now we set the speed to the highest speed to gear. Then set the maximum torque adjustment and drilling options. The average speed in the fully charged of BL1850B state is 2,160 revolutions per minute. The average speed in the fully charged of BL2010B state is 2,200 revolutions per minute. They are almost the same at no load speed. This is just because BL2010B uses the latest batteries, which have larger capacity and higher voltage. This is also the best foundation after the upgrade. After X7 communicates with the battery, he only needs these rated currents. But when drilling holes, X7 will ask for more rated currents from the battery, which is the biggest test for the battery. When you watch the video you will be surprised and have a better conclusion. The battery output voltage passes through the test instrument and then the current flows through XPH7, forming a current loop. We can know the current and power provided by the battery to the machine through the instrument. The output voltage of BL1850B is 19.7 voltage, the current is 5.5A, and the power is 108W. The output voltage of BL2010B is 20V, the current is 5.5A. And the power is 110. BL2010B voltage and power higher. They have almost the same data in terms of voltage and current, as well as power, and no load speed. Since X7 communicates with the battery, he only needs these rated currents. But when drilling, X7 will ask for more rated currents from the battery, which is the biggest test for the battery. You will be surprised when you watch the video. We have to test that will prove everything and have a better conclusion. Now we start the second test. Use 16mm drill bit to drill wood hole speed comparison. Yes, the high-capacity battery is the winner. There is not much difference in drilling time. However, when drilling, BL2010B makes X07 more powerful and makes the whole drilling process of X7 easier, even without feeling power decline. If BL1850B makes X07 have 100% saturation, then the 10.0 Ah battery allows XPH07 to have 115% saturation. Make the machine power more full. The battery allows the machine power to overflow continuously. Look at the comparison and you will find that BL2010B makes work easier. The future will test X7 and X14 to install BL2010B against 40V01. If you are interested, you can leave a message in the comment area. The third test is the continuous working time test. Under the condition of linking the test instrument, drill 108 wooden holes to detect the output current and power of the battery and the machine. There is also battery current decay. We divide the output power of 108 drilled wooden holes into 27 groups of data, and then make a table with the highest value for every 4 drilled holes. The table is as follows. Through the table, we can know that the average power supplied by BL2010B TX7 is 650 W, and the average power supplied by BL1850B TX7 is 560 W. BL2010B is equivalent to an increase of about 16% in power and performance. 2 batteries are fully charged to complete 3 tests. The no-load speed is about 3 minutes, and the second test drills 30 16mm wooden holes, and then the third test drills 108 wooden holes. It can be known from the table that the power of BL1850B starts at the 96th hole and the power decays to 500, but the output power of BL2010B still maintains 650 after passing the third test. Wow! The new battery cell makes the BL2010B battery more endurance, higher power, and stronger performance. BL2010B consuming work, 108 138 1.6mm drill holes and still maintain 650 W power output, no load remaining power, 55 minutes 19 seconds. BL1850B work consumption, 108 138 1.6mm drilling holes, starting from the 126th hole, down to 500 W power output, no load remaining power, 6 minutes 22 seconds. This is the discharge power table of the final battery of BL1850B and BL2010B. It's not much difference in drilling time. However, when drilling, BL2010B makes XPH07 more powerful and makes the whole drilling process of XPH07 easier, even without feeling power decline. If BL1850B makes XPH07 have 100% saturation, then the 10.0Ah battery allows XPH07 to have 118% saturation and 100% increase in battery capacity. Make the machine power more full. The battery allows the machine power to overflow continuously. Look at the comparison and you will find that BL2010B makes work easier. In the future, use XPH14 to install BL2010B and XPH40V01. Can you win against Makita's big brother? Very funny. If you are interested, you can leave a message in the comment area. Now we answer the initial question. Will BL2010B be much stronger than BL1850B? Yes, it is. What improvements will BL2010B bring to the machine? Let the machine increase the power by 15–18%. Continuous output power increased by 110%. And work duration increased by 100%. Will it harm the machine? This is just one of the test videos. In fact, strict tests have been conducted in November 2020. The battery will not have any effect on the machine, just a slight increase in size. I think the advantages outweigh the disadvantages. BL2010B provides a steady stream of power. Compared with BL1850B, there is an improvement, especially in the last 20% power. The battery power is still strong enough. No need to worry, and DEWALT and Milwaukee already have the 170010V batteries. The video ends here. Welcome to comment and follow my channel. Bye.